Hello students, this is Professor Ruchi Gupta from Cybersecurity Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today we'll learn about the most interesting topic of web designing and web development, that is CSS, or we can say cascading style sheets. There are majorly three parts of web designing. First is HTML, second is CSS, and third is JavaScript. If we talk about HTML, it majorly refers about the structure maintaining and structure developing of any website or any document. If we go through to CSS is majorly concerned about the styling of any document that is written in HTML. If we talk about JavaScript majorly refers the logic part of any document that is written in HTML. Now let's see what is CSS. CSS, or as we know, cascading style sheets, is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation and visual appearance of a document written in HTML. It controls layout, colors, fonts, spacing, and responsiveness of any website. With CSS or without CSS, there are two parts. Without CSS, the document may look plain. There will be no layout or spacing. There are no colors or fonts for any document. The document may not be responsive enough. Also, it may look like a raw text file. Whereas with CSS, there will be custom fonts, colors, and themes. There will be beautiful grids and flex layouts in any document. Document may contain animation or transition. There will be more mobile responsiveness of the design, and the website will look more professional. Now we can see without CSS, there is a layout in which website will look this much plain, without any layout, without any flexes or grids. Also, there are no fonts or colors available. Whereas with CSS, the same website will look more attractive, more visually appealing. There are three major types of CSS. First is inline CSS. In inline CSS, the CSS returns directly inside an HTML element using style attribute. The merit for this inline CSS is that it is quick in styling for single element, but it is more hard to maintain. Also, it is not reusable. If we see the syntax in style CSS, there is one called name, one called value. Here the name is color and value is red. If we see the next type of CSS, that is internal CSS. In internal CSS, the CSS return inside the style tag within the head section of an HTML document. There is a merit that it is page specific style. Also, no extra file is needed, but it is not reusable across the page. If we see the syntax, it is more majorly used inside the style tag, and like this here also there is name and value pair. If we see the type of third CSS, that is external CSS. In external CSS, the CSS is written in a separate .css file and is also linked with the HTML document using link tag. It is reusable, clean, and best for the practice, but it requires separate HTTP request. If we see the syntax, more likely there is a link tag, and we use href attribute to allow or to link the URL of that file. If we talk about the more efficient type of CSS, the external CSS is more efficient to the user, or we can say the developer, because as we know, it is more reusable, It is more clean and is best for the practice as we can use that same file on multiple HTML documents. That's it for today. Thank you so much.